Presenting push-button operated sanitary napkin vending machine under the brand name of Relikyo, manufactured by VP Industries. Sanitary napkin vending machine is an ATM machine used for dispensing sanitary pads anytime in emergency. Storage capacity of 60 pads and can be loaded off any size trifold. Small, medium, large. Dimensions: length 570 mm, breadth 150 mm, height 425 mm, weight 10 kilograms. Machine mechanism: press the push button to start. Inspection window, door lock, napkin collection point, wall mountable, metal finish powder coated body. Operating mechanism: connect the 2-pin wire of the electric board and plug in. Press the push button and get the napkin. Box component and accessories: 60 sanitary pads, mounting accessories, door lock keys, user manual. Usage areas of napkin vending machine: urban and rural development areas, college and schools, hospital, corporate offices. Thanks for connecting us.